Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you the new Leuchtturm 1917 sketchbook that I received as a brand ambassador of Leuchtturm 1917. We'll be unboxing and reviewing the Leuchtturm 1917 sketchbook in square size, and also doing some beautiful swatches to test the quality of the gorgeous paper. So, whether you're a seasoned artist or a budding creator, stick around, because this sketchbook is not something you will want to miss. The square-sized Leuchtturm 1917 sketchbook typically comes in a compact format with a dimension of approximately 8.25 by 8.25 inches. I am starting to really love this notebook. If you are interested, you can use my discount code POSITIVE20 at www.leuchtturm1917.ca, the Canadian site, and get 20% off your whole purchase. This square shape offers a unique canvas for artists and sketchers, as it provides an equal amount of horizontal and vertical space, allowing for versatile and creative compositions. It's very different from other notebooks I've tried, so I'm very excited about it. Now let's do a swatch page that I named as My Neutral Palette. I have selected some of my favorite zebra mild liners to do the swatches here. Mild liners offer subtle, double-ended highlighting with minimal bleed-through, versatile color coding, and creative applications. They are aesthetically pleasing, non-toxic, and long-lasting, making them ideal for students, artists, and professionals seeking organized and artistic note-taking and projects. Each mild liner has two tips, a broad chisel tip called bold, and a fine bullet tip labeled as fine. This versatility allows you to use them for both highlighting and fine detail work, making them ideal for note-taking, bullet journaling, and coloring. To color in the ink bottles, I'm using a layering technique with the bold size. Layering mild liners is a popular technique among artists and creatives. Due to their translucent and water-based ink, mild liners allow for beautiful layering effects. When you layer different colors on top of each other, they blend harmoniously, creating new shades and gradients. This technique is particularly useful for adding depth and dimension to illustrations, lettering, or coloring in adult coloring books. Experimenting with different color combinations and layering sequences can result in unique and visually striking effects that enhance your artwork and creative projects. For the ink ribbon or bow, I am using the fine bullet tip instead of the bold side. This allows for more precision, and I love how these ink bottle swatches are turning out. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please consider subscribing, commenting, and liking this video to help support my channel. Thank you, and feel free to check out any of these other videos.